Kaseng National People's Party kala sdang ya ïalap eleksyon nakam takas nem arjar arpulai taka jalan kebalang mentakas ni aposang adokri kesnong ka baju sdang ïalap eleksyon Purno Sangma kini kesnong ka habapo ka Kharkutta konstituensi hakan ni ka jalang deki hajar-hajar ngot ki pai banu kerjaan jo kaseng kila poi syakan ka lempung ka babul kila kawe ya ki lama jo kaseng NPP rengkat ru bag ki jingruai ki belatem hakate ka jalang ubak Preston Tensong oblong National Vice President jo kaseng NPP ulaong Baularung sa kaseng NPP kasnem ares kat pra di nakadaw jong Purno Sangma. Mana kaliang kini ilam ke pementa ke but iki dienjat ke jong u. Menteri iki kam nakam ta karoi ka pa jong ke jelah.
Myself and my friends, why we joined NPP way back in 2018? It's because of him. And we are here to make a pledge before all of you that his footprints will continue through our service.